question 17 is an indices question. So we've got to apply the laws of indices. Anything at the bottom here is kind of like we're rooting, square rooting, cube rooting, and so on. And that obviously is to a power. So looking at these, I've noticed that 8 and 27, they're both cube numbers. So I'm going to think of this as saying 8 over 27 to the power of a third. And then I'm going to put that to power of 4. Now, power of a third is the same thing as root, like cube rooting. So I'm going to split that up and say that's the same as a cube root of 8 over the cube root of 27. That all is to the power of 4. Right, cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 would be 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 gives me 27. Okay, now that is all to the power of 4. So, and what do we get with now then? So that leaves me with 2 to the power of 4 and 23, to the power of 4, like that. Okay, 2 to the power of 4, but we already know that 2 to the power of 3 was 8. So really, this is just 8 times 2. Makes it easy because we have a bit of the answer already from the question, is 16. And same with 3 to the power of 4. So I already know that 3 cubed is 27. So 3 to the power of 4 would be 27 times another 3. That gives me 81. So it's 16 over 81.